Hey guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove dead skin naturally from your foot at home in just 10 minutes using simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen such as salt, sugar, lime. Hope we are excited. So let's dive into it. Get a bowl, pour hot water into it. Pour enough hot water into it that can cover your foot when you place your legs inside the bowl. Afterwards, get cold water. Then check if the temperature means is okay. So just check. Then I'm adding cold water to it so that I'll be able to place my foot on it. Then get your kitchen salt and add to the water. Any measurement is fine. And squeeze out some lime juice inside the water. This lime juice, you can either use lemon or lime, so anyone is fine. Then I'll add my Dettol. Add my Dettol to it, and also any liquid soap, but I'm using black liquid soap, homemade black liquid soap, so I just added homemade black liquid soap to it. After that, place your foot inside the water gently. Now our water is ready, so gently place your foot inside the water gently and massage your foot for like 10 minutes. Massage your foot for like 10 minutes. So this time you can use the time to be pressing your phone or watching TV. Just relax and enjoy the process while you are massaging the foot together. Now you can see after 10 minutes, you can see the amount of dead skin that is pulling out as I'm using my finger. You can see the amount of dead skin. This recipe, this remedy works like magic. You don't have to go and pay money for pedicure. So you can do this at the comfort of your home and you will see a good desirable result. So this is me using my finger to pull off the skin, to pull off. I just want to show you guys before I start using my main brush for the foot, so you can see how it's just pulling off easily. Just pull it off easily. Just watch closely and see. You see how it's real. Oh God, just try this. Once you try this, you come back to say thank you. I never knew this thing works like magic. It works like magic. You can see how it's pulling off. You can see how it's pulling off easily. It's so soft. So with my brush, So the next step is to move in with your nail cuticle to remove any dead cell around your nails. This step is very important, and while you are at it, please be careful so you won't hurt yourself. Just do it gently so that you will not injure yourself. So this is me. So the next of the next is to go in with our scrub. Any type of scrub is fine. You can use any body scrub, any face or body scrub, or you can use sugar. For the purpose of this video, I'm using sugar, so you can still achieve the same results with sugar. So you can see how I'm using it to like massage, to scrub my foot, scrub. So ensure you scrub very well, and also be careful too so you will not get injured. So after which you rinse it off with clean water and you dry with a towel. Then you cannot apply any moisturizer. I forgot to film that part, but for the purpose of this video I used Blue Sea Vaseline as my moisturizer. So you can either use Blue Sea Vaseline or any oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, so it's fine and still give it the same result. This is me checking to be sure that yeah, we are on a good track, and trust me, we are on the good track. No more roughness, no more sharpness. After then, I decided to go in with my nail polish. This is me applying my gel polish. First of all, I used base coat. Yeah, this is me applying my base coat to my nails. So guys, I could not capture the full process of me applying my gel to my nails, so I don't want this video to be too long. So this is my leg. This is me feeling my leg. No more dryness, no more sharpness. At least it's giving now. It's giving. So you can try this and you will be glad that you did. So my viewers, I want to say thank you for watching up to this moment. Thank you so much. Please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, Auntie, Uncle, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Until then, remain blessed. Thank you.